Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how you can create this closed simulation and how to fix that problem by using one node in Houdini. Let's jump in. First of all, I want to show you the mesh of this model. This model consisting of separate parts. For example, here, and also here, also here. I found this model on internet, so it's not suitable for simulation. I guess the polygon count is too high and every part of it's separated. Let's back Houdini. First of all, we need to import our model by using file node, and then we have to scale down or scale up our model as much as close to real life, but because of this node I have to make it a little bit bigger. So we have to reduce the polygon count. The reduction process, I think it depends on your model. 16 works for me fine. It looks optimized and the curvature is still looking acceptable, because in the end we use subdivide node. It's gonna be fine. I use normal node because when I simulate that, the mesh is going to be displaced and it's going to have much more curvatures. So normal node is provide to computing the faces much more accurate. We have to select by face area weighting method, and by the way, you can add these nodes by right clicking and right here, normal adding and connect them each other. We're going back here. I set up simple Williams constraint cloth nodes. In volume constraints we have to select cloth and we add volume solver here and connect them. And in volume solver I make the gravity force 0 because I don't want my model fall down here. I just want it stand here, and my velocity should affect the movement of it. And we can add velocity by getting to volume solver and right here pop wop like that. And we can add here curl noise here because I want to make it turbulence to move. Position to position noise, velocity connection here, and then we're going to add subdivide node in the last. If we get back our hero node here, the effect of that model, it changes depends on the scale of this model, because if I scale down that model, the search radius is not gonna be same because the polygons and separated parts are become much closer, so you can much more decrease that radius. But both simulation accuracy and for the accuracy of that process, I make it almost 3 meter. So in that node we have to select adjacent points, and you can, I think we should put this parameters as much as low, because it affects, if we make it too high, it affects the simulation time. As you can see, it connects our separated parts here and here. It calculates the distance of polygons and vertices, I guess, and then I activate the volume solver, and when I press play. It takes much more time, almost 50 seconds per frame for my setup, my computer hardware, but the problem is solved. And also, if you want to make it much more smooth, you can use subdivide node. It's going to work fine, I think. And then you can use Rob Alimbeck output if you want it to transfer maybe Cinema 4D or Blender. You can choose save location here and press save to disk. It's gonna start to calculate and save.